Welcome to this Fantaskool tutorial on teacher management. Adding teaching staff is crucial for establishing your school's academic structure. Today, we'll explore two efficient methods to add teachers to your system: individual entry and bulk import. Step 1. Administrator access. Start by logging into your Fantaskool administrator account through the landing page to access your main dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to staff management. From the sidebar navigation, click on the Staff button. This opens the comprehensive staff management interface where you can manage all teaching personnel. Two methods for adding teachers. The system provides two flexible approaches to accommodate different administrative needs. Method 1. Individual teacher entry. Step 3. Initiate single teacher. Addition. Click on the Add Staff button to begin adding a teacher individually. Step 4. Complete required information. Fill in the essential required field. Full name, enter the teacher's complete name. Step 5. System-generated credentials. The system will automatically generate email address, a unique email for the teacher. Password, a secure password for system access. Note: you can modify these auto-generated credentials if needed. Step 6. Add optional information. Complete additional details to build a comprehensive teacher profile. Profile picture. Upload a professional photo. Personal information: address, nationality, date of birth, marital status, place of birth. Identification: national ID number, staff ID emergency. Contact for safety and communication purposes. Academic qualifications: highest qualification, GCE examination, status. Professional details: years of teaching experience, role, employment status. Assignment information: employment start date, assigned class. Step 7. Save teacher profile. After completing the necessary information, save the teacher's profile to add them to your system. Method 2. Bulk import via Excel. Step 3. Access, bulk, import. For adding multiple teachers efficiently, click on the Import Staff button. Step 4. Prepare your data. Download the provided Excel template to ensure proper formatting. The sample sheet shows you exactly how to structure teacher information for successful import. Step 5. Complete and upload. Fill in the template with all teacher information following the required format, then upload your completed Excel file to import all teachers simultaneously. Best practices. Consider these recommendations. Use individual entry for single teacher additions or when you need immediate access. Use bulk import when setting up multiple teachers for new academic years. Always use the Excel template to prevent import errors. Ensure all required fields are completed. Verify email addresses are unique and valid. Double-check class assignments align with your school structure. Security note: auto-generated passwords should be shared securely with new teachers, and they should be encouraged to change them upon first login. Whether adding teachers individually or in bulk, Fantaskool's staff management system ensures you can efficiently build your teaching team while maintaining comprehensive records for administrative and academic purposes.